This is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. I saw a photo of the Hollywood star Willem Dafoe, and I thought I could use this for the tutorial video because in this photo, very big darkness is made because he got the light from his left hand side, very strong light. So as you see, some frontal face part get very bright, and the side nose and also the side face to the neck, this is very big and very strong shadow. So it makes easy to make the drawing three-dimensional and very good to learn how to make a volume and how to create the contrast of light and shadow. It's a good reference photo. That's why I chose this one, and I wanted to show you how to draw portrait with a very strong contrast. He's got rather short nose to compare to the chin, so I had to take the chin line a bit lower so that there is enough space for the chin. Small and thin nose with very small nose wings, and it's the nose tip is quite pointed. Rather thin lips, and of course because he got older, so he has face lines and some wrinkles that we have to create today. And I want to show you how you can create the wrinkles naturally. It's kind of on the surface, on the skin. It's not about the face features, which is made according to the bone structure. Everything is on the surface. So we can start. He also has very deep eyes, and his eyebrow bone is quite pronounced, and also the nose is also very high and very masculine nose. Make him resemble and look like really Willem Dafoe, we have to catch what is his characteristics and some special features in his face. we have to bring them out and use these face features for the portrait drawing. Like we are not doing the caricatures, but the caricature artists, they use the face features, special face features for this person to emphasize and exaggerate this characteristic. Like I would do maybe the nose even smaller and shorter and more pointed, and he has very wide lips, like a very long, and also big and long chin as well. Because he has a short nose, he has big space between nose and mouth. In this case, we know who we are drawing, so I hope it will turn out like him. Let's see at the end. So to achieve that goal, we have to make sure, like here the cheek, here the dark part must be exactly the same part. Let's pay attention. I feel like I made it a little bit low. Even now I can see that. So let's correct it a bit higher. And as I always say, the correction goes until the end of the drawing. Sometimes you miss something and then suddenly later you will discover some mistakes. Then you can just start to correct them. Important thing is you must know that there is a mistake. You must see that. If you don't see, then you can't change. No chance to change. More importantly, you must recognize your mistake at some point. So there is big shadow. So I have created this dark flow which divide the light part and dark part. This is extremely big darkness that you can easily actually create, and you can work basically with this light and shadow. We Of course, have to make the inside of darkness other features, but it shouldn't be stronger than this dark flow. Otherwise, the three-dimension effect doesn't work here then. Now we have a wonderful three-dimension drawing, and I want to keep this until the end of the drawing. I found out that the head is a little bit wide and the face should be also longer. So I think now it's much better. Let's continue this drawing for the next video, and I will see you then next time. See you next time. Bye.